We lost them.
I apologize, Your Honor. I got terrible signal, but understood. We were told by his family that he was told he had court today at 11. So we're just here at the abundance of caution, but we'll reach out to the state court.
Yeah, he's not on our calendar at all.
Sounds good.
All
Perfect.
right, thank you.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a great day. May we be
Have a
excused?
good one. All right, guys, we are on hold until the jail logs back on. We seem to have lost them. All right, we ready, Deputy? I think I'm already live. Yep. All right, we are now streaming live on YouTube. Today is September 22nd, 2025. I am Judge Case Johnson, and I am the Magistrate Court Judge presiding over this morning's calendar.
Hola, buenos días. Estamos transmitiendo en vivo por YouTube. Hoy es el 22 de septiembre de 2025. Soy la juez Kate Johnson, la que preside sobre esta lista de causas en el Tribunal de Primera Instancias en la mañana de hoy.
If you are having
Your Honor,
trouble
Your Honor, can we pause? We're having a medical emergency.
with medical emergency, okay,
Give
I'll hold.
us a message in about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Your Honor, we're ready to proceed.
Make sure that it's what not allowed to do too.
Your Honor, the jail is ready when you are.
All right. In a minute, I'm gonna ask you if you have, they are asking to add on someone. I just need to make sure you have it. But give me a minute. All right. Madam Interpreter.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And so let's restart. If you are having trouble hearing me, please let the deputy know, as there are a few things I need to go over with you prior to starting today's calendar.
Si no me pueden oír bien, por favor me lo hacen saber. Ah, tengo que darles alguna información antes de empezar a pasar lista. Escuchen atentamente, con eso entenderán mejor la naturaleza y el propósito de esta audiencia en el día de hoy.
Please listen carefully as it will better help you understand the purpose and the nature of today's proceeding.
Por favor, escuchen atentamente, con eso entenderán mejor la naturaleza y el propósito de la audiencia de hoy.
First, I am not here to try your case, take a plea, or have any legal discussions with you about the specifics of your case.
En primer lugar, no estoy aquí para juzgar su caso, para que ustedes respondan ante las acusaciones y tampoco para hablar sobre los asuntos legales o los hechos específicos de sus casos.
The purpose of first appearance is to inform you of the charges against you, advise you of certain rights, set bonds for those offenses for which I am authorized to set bond, to schedule a preliminary hearing, and to determine whether you require the assistance of an attorney.
El propósito de esta comparecencia inicial es informarle de los cargos que se han formulado en su contra, informarles de ciertos derechos específicos, fijar fianza por los delitos por los cuales tengo o este tribunal tiene la autorización a fijar fianza, programar la fecha de la audiencia preliminar y determinar si ustedes necesitan la ayuda de un abogado.
You have the right to remain silent, so please do not attempt to tell me any specifics about your case or any legal defense that you may have. As I said earlier, we are streaming live, and anything you say during this proceeding can and will be held against you in future proceedings.
Tienen el derecho a permanecer callados. Por favor, no intenten de hablarme acerca de los hechos específicos de sus casos, tampoco de alguna defensa legal que pudieran tener. Como dije anteriormente, estamos transmitiendo en vivo y se está grabando la audiencia, así que cualquier cosa que diga podrá y será usada en su contra en audiencias futuras.
Now, during this and all other proceedings, you have the following rights. Right to the presumption of innocence, to an indictment by grand jury for felonies or by accusation for misdemeanors,
Ahora, durante esta y todas las demás audiencias tendrán ustedes los siguientes derechos: el derecho a la presunción de inocencia, el derecho a un causamiento por el gran jurado cuando se trate de delitos graves o el derecho a una acusación cuando se trate de delitos menores.
to a speedy and public trial by jury, to compel the attendance of witnesses to testify on your own behalf, to see, hear, and question witnesses who are called to testify against you, to testify on your own behalf or offer evidence in your own defense, and to have an attorney represent you. And if you cannot afford an attorney, one may be appointed if you qualify.
El derecho a un juicio público y sin demora con jurado, el derecho a exigir la presencia de testigos para que declaren a nombre suyo, a ver, escuchar e interrogar a los testigos que se presenten en su contra, el derecho a declarar a nombre suyo y presentar pruebas en su defensa, y el derecho a ser representado por un abogado. Si no tuvieran los medios para contratar a un abogado, se les asignará uno si ustedes cumplen los criterios.
Also, if you are not a U.S. citizen, some charges may adversely affect your immigration status, so you will need to consult with an attorney.
Además, si no tuvieran la ciudadanía estadounidense, algunos cargos pudieran tener un efecto negativo en su estatus inmigratorio. Deberán consultar con un abogado.
Now, some of you will be allowed to post what we call unrestricted bonds for the release from jail pending the prosecution of your case. This bond may be posted in three ways: cash, commercial, or property.
A algunas de personas se les permitirán pagar una fianza sin restricciones para salir en libertad de la cárcel mientras su caso quede pendiente en el tribunal. Se puede pagar la fianza de tres maneras diferentes: en efectivo, de manera comercial o con una propiedad.
If you post a cash bond, someone will deliver the full amount of the bond in cash, together with any mandated fees to the sheriff's office, who will hold it until after your final court date, at which time the cash will be returned to the person who posted it.
Si paga la fianza en efectivo, alguien tendría que pagar la cantidad total de la fianza junto con las tarifas de ley en la oficina de los alguaciles, donde se guardará el dinero hasta su última cita judicial. Luego después, el dinero será devuelto a la persona que lo pagó.
If you do not have the full amount of the bond in cash, you could also use a commercial bonding company who may take up to 15% of the bond, and this fee will not be returned to you.
Si no tuvieran la cantidad total de la fianza en efectivo, podría también hacer uso de una compañía comercial de fianzas que le podría cobrar hasta 15% de la fianza por su tarifa de servicio. Esa tarifa no se le devuelve.
You may also have someone post a property bond so long as the net equity in that property is at least 3 times the amount of your bond. For example, if I set a bond for $2,000, your property must have at least $6,000 in equity to qualify as a property bond.
También podrían pedirle a alguien que paguen la fianza con alguna propiedad, siempre y cuando el capital neto de la misma sea 3 veces mayor que la cantidad de la fianza. Por ejemplo, si su fianza es de $2,000, el capital neto de la propiedad debe ser por lo menos de $6,000 para reunir los requisitos de una fianza de propiedad.
All right, so each of you will have as a condition of your bond that you are not to violate any laws while you're out on bond.
Todos ustedes tendrán como condición de la fianza de no infringir ninguna ley mientras estén en libertad bajo fianza.
But some of you will have additional special conditions that will prohibit you from contacting certain people or going to certain places. If you have a no contact provision on your bond, this means that you must stay away from and have no contact with the victim. You may not call, text, email, write a letter to, or contact through any social media platform. You can't even do something nice for that person, such as sending them flowers, a gift, or even a nice song. As nice as this may be, it would be a violation of your bond.
Pero algunos de ustedes tendrán condiciones especiales adicionales que les prohíbe tener contacto con ciertas personas o acudir a ciertos lugares. Si las, perdón, si las condiciones de su fianza estipulan ningún contacto, y esto quiere decir que debe mantenerse alejado sin tener contacto alguno con la víctima. No podrán llamar, enviar mensajes de texto, correos electrónicos, escribir cartas o tener contacto a través de las redes sociales. Ni siquiera podría hacer algo amable, como por ejemplo enviarle flores, un regalo o una canción. Por más amable que sea, estos actos constituyen una violación de las condiciones de su fianza.
Now, if I order you not to return to a particular location, that means that you cannot go back to that location for any reason. If the no return location is a shared residence, meaning you reside there along with the alleged victim, please let me know and I will authorize you to go back, but only while accompanied by a sheriff to collect some of your personal belongings that are not in dispute, meaning there is no issue as to who owns that property.
Si yo le ordenara no regresar a un lugar específico, eso quiere decir que no debe regresar a ese lugar por ninguna razón. Si el lugar al cual se le prohíbe regresar es una residencia compartida, quiere decir que usted vive ahí junto con la presunta víctima, hágamelo saber y le daré la autorización para que regrese solamente acompañado por un alguacil para poder recoger sus artículos personales que no están en disputa. Y eso quiere decir que no existe ninguna controversia sobre a quién le pertenecen esas cosas.
You will need to make an appointment with the sheriff's office within 10 days of being released to pick up your personal belongings.
Deberán hacer una cita con la oficina de los alguaciles entre los primeros 10 días de haber salido en libertad de la cárcel para ir por sus pertenencias.
Now, unfortunately, some percentage of you will come back into custody because you don't take what I am saying here serious. Instead, you will return to your residence, you will reconcile with the victim, and it's good until it's not. The moment the victim becomes upset, police will be called and you will be rearrested and held without bond.
Ahora, lamentablemente, un porcentaje de ustedes volverán a ser arrestados por una revocación de la fianza porque no tomaron en serio lo que les estoy diciendo. En lugar de eso, van y regresan a su residencia o intentan reconciliarse con la víctima. Y todo está muy bien hasta que ya lo no está. En el momento en que la víctima se moleste, llama a la policía y usted quedará bajo arresto sin derecho a la fianza.
The court takes these special conditions very seriously. Just follow the order until it is modified or your case is resolved.
El tribunal toma muy en serio esas condiciones especiales de la fianza. Solamente acátese a la orden hasta que su fianza las condiciones estén modificadas o hasta que el caso se resuelva.
Now, if you do violate the bond and the court considers your contact intimidating or harassing, you could receive additional felony charges such as aggravated stalking or influencing a witness. These type charges carry punishment of up to 20 years in prison and $20,000 in fines.
Si usted incumple la orden de fianza y el tribunal considera que su contacto fue intimidante y acosador, se le pueden poner cargos de delito mayor adicionales, como por ejemplo acosamiento con agravantes o por haber influido a testigos. Este tipo de cargos conlleva un castigo de hasta 20 años de prisión y hasta $20,000 de multa.
Also, if your spouse, family member, or friend is the alleged victim in your case, he or she will not be allowed to post your bond, or are you able to contact the victim while you are in jail?
Además, si la presunta víctima en su caso es su cónyuge, algún familiar o amistad, a esa persona no se le va a permitir pagar la fianza por usted. Tampoco podrá usted comunicarse con la víctima durante el tiempo que esté en la cárcel.
Now, some of you are charged with offenses for which this court is not authorized to set bond. In this event, a bond hearing will be scheduled before a judge of the Superior Court of Clayton County.
A algunos de ustedes se les ha imputado delitos por los cuales ese tribunal no está autorizado por ley a fijar una fianza. Si este es su caso, se programará una audiencia de fianza ante un juez del Tribunal Superior del Condado de Clayton.
So listen carefully to this part. The purpose of a preliminary hearing is to determine whether there is enough evidence or probable cause to keep you detained on your charges. If you bond out, your preliminary hearing is automatically waived because you are out of jail and no longer detained.
Escuchen atentamente a esta parte. El propósito de la audiencia preliminar es para determinar si existen pruebas suficientes o motivos fundados para mantener a la persona detenida por los delitos imputados. Si sale en libertad bajo fianza, se suspenderá automáticamente la audiencia preliminar porque ya no estará detenido en la cárcel.
All right, so if you are charged with misdemeanors only, when you come before the court, I will ask you if you wish to waive your preliminary hearing. Waiving your preliminary hearing does not affect your rights, your bond amount, or your bond amount. It simply moves your case from magistrate court to state court faster.
Si a usted se le está imputando solamente delitos menores, cuando esté ante el tribunal, le preguntaré si desea renunciar a la audiencia preliminar. El renunciar a la audiencia preliminar no afecta sus derechos ni la cantidad de la fianza. Sencillamente al hacerlo, su caso pasa del tribunal de primera instancia al tribunal estatal más rápido.
This court does not have any preference as to whether you waive your preliminary hearing. However, when I ask if you wish to waive your preliminary hearing, if you respond by asking me what that means, I will simply schedule your preliminary hearing, as I do not want you to waive something you don't understand.
El tribunal no tiene preferencia alguna acerca de si usted renuncia o no a su audiencia preliminar. Sin embargo, cuando le pregunte si usted desea renunciar a la audiencia preliminar y usted me responde con la pregunta ¿qué significa eso? Ya programaré la audiencia preliminar porque no quisiera que usted renunciara a algo que no haya entendido.
All right, and so warning, it has come to our attention that inmate families have been contacted by individuals claiming to be an employee of the jail, offering a pretrial program and dismissal of all charges if a substantial fee is paid. Please note that this is a scam. No such program in the jail exists.
Ahora bien, un aviso. Se nos ha notificado que las familias de los detenidos han sido contactados por personas que alegan ser empleados de la cárcel y que están ofreciendo programas de resolución judicial previa al juicio o sobreseimiento de todos los cargos, si se paga una suma considerable. Sepan, por favor, que eso es una estafa y ningún programa de ese índole existe en la cárcel.
Finally, I'm about to read the oath to you. If you understand and swear to it, please respond by saying I do. Would everybody please raise their right hand?
Por último, les voy a leer el juramento. Si entiendan y acepten el juramento, por favor, respondan sí juro. Levanten, por favor, su mano derecha.
Do you swear and affirm that the information you placed on your court-appointed application as well as the information you're about to give this court will be true and correct? If so, please state I do.
Juran o afirman que la información que incluyeron en la solicitud para el abogado de oficio y también la información que van a dar en este tribunal es la verdad y nada más que la verdad. Si es que sí, digan sí juro.
All righty, and so who do I have in front of me right now?
What's your name?
Junior Lopez.
Junior Lopez.
Lopez? Hold on, I see Mr. Lord right here in my face. Hold on, because I didn't get an opportunity to review this one yet.
Aquí veo la documentación del señor López y permítame un momento porque no tuve la oportunidad de repasar la información aún. Un
Please
momentico.
state your name for the record, sir.
Por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta, señor.
Junior Lopez.
Junior López.
All right, do you know why you were charged, sir?
¿Sabe por qué le formularon cargos, señor? Yes.
Okay. I don't see where you have a criminal history.
Yo no veo que usted tenga antecedentes penales.
I take that back. In 2010, you did have some shoplifting charges.
Retracto. En el 2010 usted sí tenía cargos por hurto en tiendas.
All right, you're charged with 2 counts of reckless conduct.
Muy bien, señor. A usted le han formulado 2 cargos de conducta temeraria.
Okay.
Ok.
I'm gonna set those bonds at 2,000 each.
Voy a fijar una fianza de 2,000 para cada cargo,
For a total bond of $4,000.
para una fianza total de $4,000.
Okay.
How do you know the
Okay.
victims?
¿Cómo conoce usted, señor, a las víctimas?
Pues es mi esposa.
It's my wife.
And then so Silva, is that your wife?
¿Silva es su esposa? Yes.
But it's 2 Silvas.
Hay 2 personas de nombre Silva.
No, nomás una, mi esposa.
No, just one. That's my wife.
I have a Kina Silva Garcia
Tengo a Kina Silva García
and a Scarlett Lopez Silva.
y Scarlett López Silva.
Oh, mi hija y mi esposa.
My daughter and my wife.
All right. And so you reside in this home, right?
Y usted vive en esta casa, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay. You can't return to that home.
Usted no puede volver a esa casa.
That's located at 312 Whaley's Lake.
Que está
Drive.
ubicado en el 312 de la Whaley's Lake Drive,
Sí.
And that's in
Yes.
Jonesboro.
en Jonesboro.
You can go back, but only while accompanied by law enforcement to pick up your personal belongings.
Usted sí puede volver, pero solamente acompañado de un agente del orden público para recoger sus pertenencias.
Okay.
Okay.
And you may not have any contact with Kima Silva Garcia
No puede tener ningún contacto con Kima Silva García
and Scarlett Lopez Silva.
ni con Scarlett López Silva.
Okay.
You understand
Okay.
those conditions, sir?
¿Entiende esas condiciones, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
If you do decide to go back to your house or have contact, you could be rearrested and held without bond.
Si usted decide volver a su casa o tener contacto, a usted lo podrían volver a arrestar y retener sin fianza.
Do you have any questions, sir?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta, señor? No.
All right, good luck to you, sir.
Muy bien, señor. Buena suerte.
Gracias.
Thank you.
All right, I'm going to start with the females. Those I have ready.
We have one more that needs a Spanish interpreter. Ma'am.
Oh, who is that?
His first name is Emmanuel, last name, Monfiston.
We can't hear you.
Monfiston. Monfiston.
But an M, is it a male or a female?
It's a male.
Male, okay, all right. Darn.
Okay.
Emmanuel,
Yes,
and he needs a Spanish interpreter? You can ask him, it's okay, Spanish interpreter?
Hola, señor. ¿Usted necesita un intérprete en español?
Sí, por favor.
Yes, please.
All right, please state your name for the record.
Muy bien, señor. Diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Y Emmanuel Miston.
Emmanuel Monfiston.
All righty, Mr. Monfiston, you are charged with battery, family violence. That bond is set at 3,000. And cruelty to children, that bond is set at 2,000 for a total bond of $5,000.
Muy bien, señor Monfiston. A usted se le ha formulado los cargos de agresión física, violencia en el hogar, con una fianza de $3,000 y también maltrato de menores en el tercer grado, con una fianza de $2,000, para una fianza total de $5,000.
You must stay away from Pascala Jean Paul,
Tendrá que mantenerse alejado de Pascala Jean Paul.
and you may not return to 5074 apartment, looks like E2. That's Old Dixie Road in the Forest Park.
Y no puede volver a, parece ser el 5074 apartamento E2 sobre la Old Dixie Road, y eso queda en Forest Park.
How do you know Mr. Paul?
¿Cómo conoce al señor Paul?
Señora. Señora.
The interpreter needs to ask him to speak up, Your Honor. She could hardly hear. ¿Puede repetir, por favor? No le escuché.
Es mi señora.
Oh, she's my wife.
Okay, all right. So you can't have any contact with her now. You can go back and pick up your personal belongings, but only while accompanied by law enforcement.
Muy bien. Usted no puede tener contacto con ella. Ahora, usted sí puede ir a recoger sus pertenencias, pero solamente puede ir acompañado de un agente del orden público. Okay.
She going first. Or what I going first?
It does appear that you qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I have appointed one to you.
Al parecer, señor, usted cumple los criterios para el nombramiento de un abogado de oficio, así que he nombrado abogado para representarle.
Do you have any questions, sir?
Okay. ¿Tiene usted alguna pregunta, señor?
No.
No.
Good luck to you, sir.
Buena suerte, señor.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Guyger.
Go ahead. Hold on. No.
Are we ready for the females? Is that all the interpreter cases?
Yeah, can we do one behavior, first, do we need to get out of here for behavior first?
Okay, and who is that?
Mr. Parker.
Parker?
Your Honor, do you mind if I inquire of the deputies if Mr. Trejo, Trejo, will require an interpreter?
I don't think so. Thank you. No, ma'am. He's spoken.
No? Okay. All right. Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Have a great day.
Get up there.
How you doing? Good morning.
What are you doing, Mr. Parker?
How you doing? Good morning, Judge.
What are you doing back there? Okay. Calm down. All right. So you are charged with aggravated assault. I have denied your bond, sir, and you may not have any contact with David Hounds. And you're already incarcerated for something else. You
Yes,
think this behavior is going to help when it's time for you to get a sentence or they look at your rap sheet? You think this is going to help if you're collecting charges while you're in jail? No.
No,
All
ma'am.
right. Well, so no bond. You can't have any contact with Mr. Bonds, and I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck, Mr. Parker. All right. We're starting on the ladies now, the females. Good morning, or now afternoon. What's your name? Yeah, we got to unmute.
I'm sorry, Yana, go ahead.
Okay. What's your name?
Imani, Lott, Lott.
Say that last name.
Lott, Lott.
Y'all just come before the court and y'all be whispering and all nice. I can't understand. Deputy, what's her last name?
Lott, Lott.
Why we doing her first?
I'm
To
pregnant.
to get out of here. This how
You're
I-
what?
I'm pregnant with twins.
Is she causing trouble?
No. Just
Oh,
get
okay.
here on Yana will be in alphabetical order when we start the rest of the.
That's so kind of like an add-on.
But she an add-on.
No, she's on.
She is on this.
Well, it was.
Oh,
He wasn't an add-on, Your Honor.
I see it. I see it. I had not. Imani.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have it. Hold on, Imani. I got to review some stuff. Need to look at your criminal history. How far along are you?
Now.
9 weeks.
Yes, ma'am.
This your first?
This will be my second.
Your second? How old are you?
I'm 26 years old.
26.
Yes, ma'am.
So what's gonna happen to your baby if you go to prison?
I'm hoping that I can fight off these charges, especially being that I am pregnant and I'm not known for violent behavior at all whatsoever. I also just got out of the hospital recently for being unconscious, so I'm not a fighter. I'm hoping that me having an attorney will help me fight this case.
So you know you have a reason to stay from back there, right? Right?
Yes.
This is not your first charge. So you're having kids, if you want to be in your kid's life, you can't keep coming back there.
Yes.
You're just having kids for somebody else to raise. All right. Do you need some housing?
I plan on just staying in the hospital until my pregnancy is
I don't think that's up to you.
I mean, it is kind of, I have a lot of health conditions. I just had a heart attack about a month ago. They were skeptical about releasing me about 2 weeks ago. So
Have you ever had a mental health diagnosis?
I do.
Okay. All right. And so I'm going to have someone come out and talk to you. And then because in your warrant, it specifically says that you wanted a room at the Hampton Inn. So do you know why you're back there?
I'm back here.
You know what the allegations are?
I am aware of the allegations.
Okay. All righty. And hold on. All right, so hold on, because one of these charges I may not be able to move forward on. It says that you spit on Malika Sabor when she would not rent you a room at the Hampton Inn. Miss Lott then picked up a metal garbage can lid and told Karen Baptista, a Hampton Inn employee, she would beat her with it. Miss Lott then damaged property belonging to Hampton Inn Hotel, being 2 coffee pots.
Ma'am, it doesn't add up at all. I already had a room there. I wasn't checking out until 11. It's so much information that's being left out. My face is scratched up right now. I don't know if you can see it. I was struck multiple times by her. He's saying that he's seen everything on camera, and I told him she knew where the cameras were placed, so she was avoiding cameras. That's all I can say right now. I'm very hurt by the situation. I'm not a violent person.
Do you have somebody that can bond you out?
I do.
Okay. All right, so for the charge of simple battery, I've set that bond at $3,000. The aggravated assault, I just missed that charge. I didn't see probable cause for the aggravated assault. The next charge is criminal damage in the second degree. That bond is set at $2,000. Your total bond is $5,000. You may not return to that Hampton Inn, and you may not have any contact with Malika Sabir, which is one of the employees. And I know there was another one, or Karen Baptisti. You can't have any contact with her, even if you see her out. Can't have any contact with her. You understand the special conditions of your bond?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Lott, go raise that baby. Stay out of the jail. I'm gonna have somebody come and talk to you to see if we can get you some assistance with some mental health.
Thank you.
Lott. Lott, all right. You have any, oh, hold on. It does appear that you qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I am going to appoint one to you.
Thank you.
If your preliminary hearing date is October the 20th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. You say you don't have any questions, right?
No, ma'am.
All righty, good luck to you and that baby.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next person, step up.
Good afternoon.
Hi.
What's your name?
Manisha Anderson.
All right, Ms. Anderson, you're charged with criminal trespass, damage to property. That bond is set at $2,000, theft by shoplifting, $1,500 for a total bond of $3,500. You may not return to the Panhandle Package Store at 1681 Flicker Road in Jonesboro, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you understand the charges and the special conditions of your bond?
Yes, I do.
Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for October the 20th. I'm sorry, October the 21st at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I am gonna appoint you an attorney. You have any questions?
No.
Good luck to you, ma'am.
5, 7-5. Right here. In front of the computer.
Good afternoon.
Get off the watch for me.
What's your name?
Toya Brooks.
All right, Ms. Brooks, you're charged with battery family violence. That bond is set at $1,000. You must stay away from Antonio Turner. And who is Antonio Turner to you?
He's my kid's father. My belongings at his house too.
Say that again.
He's my kid's father, but my belongings is at his house.
Y'all reside in the same house?
In a way, yeah.
All right, so you may go back, but only while accompanied by law enforcement to pick up your personal belongings. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm setting your your bond is 1,000. I'm setting your preliminary hearing date for October the 20th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to, I'm sorry, the 21st. October the 21st at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I'm also, are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
You are?
Yes.
Why did you, where are you employed at?
It's called the Caterpillar in Union City.
I'm sorry, say that again.
Warehouse in Union City, Caterpillar.
A warehouse?
Yes, ma'am.
How much do you earn per month?
I made 24 an hour, so.
You made what now?
24
$24 an hour? Okay, so you do not qualify for a court-appointed attorney. Do you have any questions? Whatever you do, don't have any contact, Mr. Turner. You're gonna be right back in here and hell
Oh,
without.
I'm not gonna talk to him. But
So go back there while accompanied by law enforcement, get your personal things. As my grandmother used to say, if you can't get along, get apart. If your relationship is putting you back here, you need to rethink it. All right? Good luck, ma'am.
Thank you. Going 7-5, next person.
Say that again. Okay. What's your name, ma'am?
Natasha Carter.
All right, Ms. Carter, you're charged with reckless conduct.
Yeah.
Nigel, McKee, and Taser Major. McKee and Major.
All right. Ms. Carter, this could have been something different. Firing guns into a crowd, allegedly. Hold on. All right, I've set that bond at $5,000. You may not possess a weapon. Do you understand the special conditions of your bond?
Yeah.
If you're caught in possession of a weapon, you're going to be arrested. I'm setting your preliminary hearing date for October the 21st at 8:30 a.m. Are you employed, ma'am?
No, I have seizures.
You have what?
Seizures.
You're not employed. Okay. All right. And I am going to appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am. Good afternoon. What's your name?
Guyger.
All right. You said Guyger?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Guyger, you're charged with theft by taking. I've set that bond at $3,000, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for October the 20th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Are you employed?
No, ma'am.
Why not?
It's hard. You gotta
Why
look.
not?
Gotta look. I gotta look.
You got to what?
It's hard to find a job.
How are you living? You live with, who do you live with?
My mom.
Your mother? How old are you?
19.
18?
19. I just
19. But you're not starting off right. You need to
make mistakes.
say that again.
Make mistakes.
You made a mistake? Okay. I give you that. So you just got to correct that now, right? All right. I set your bond at $3,000. And I'm also going to go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. You have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All righty. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Who the next person?
John is behind my back.
That's Majors.
Yes, ma'am.
Major, then Overstreet.
Overstreet.
Good afternoon. What's your name?
Savannah Greer.
Greer? Okay.
Your Honor, I show her as out bond.
What was your first name?
Daviana. I signed 2 bond papers this morning, but I don't know why I'm still.
All right, let me look on my.
I have her fill out the finger application. Yeah, they.
Okay, I released you earlier, so you'll be processed out. But
Thank
Miss Greer, I don't want to see you back.
I won't come back. This is my first and my last time. I promise.
I'm gonna hold you to that.
I
How
promise.
old are you?
I'm 24.
Yeah, let's not start this way.
I won't.
Okay. All righty. And so, hold on. Are you employed? Ask Miss Greer, is she employed?
No, it's employed. It's Greer.
Are you
Still talking to you?
Ma'am.
You are employed?
No.
No. Why not?
Because I had my 2 babies. I have a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old, and it was hard for me to find childcare, which in these states in Georgia it's hard to find childcare, and I've applied to CAPS multiple times. So it kind of took a toll on that. But I was employed. I used to work at CSL, but not no more. I couldn't make it with childcare.
All righty. Well, I've appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
What's your character?
What's your name?
Natasha Jackson. Is it too high? No, I can see. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Who's the next person?
Oh, Miss Jackson.
Don't slap.
All right. Deputy, she's gonna have to be continued to Wednesday. I need some more information on her.
Yes, ma'am.
Going to 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor,
Yes?
Next person up.
on that person that's, last name was Greer,
Mhm.
at Greer.
Yes, ma'am.
She, I just checked the classification, she is wanted, that's the reason why she's still here.
Oh, okay. She's wanted.
Yes, ma'am.
She just said she's never been in jail before.
That's the information I just got for classification.
All right. Well, I let her out on these charges, so I guess you guys can handle whatever else she has going on. And so Ms. Jackson will be continued to Wednesday.
9/24, correct, Your Honor?
Yes.
Okay.
And what's your name?
Natasha Jackson. What?
Natasha Jessup? All right, Ms. Jessup, you are charged with cruelty to children in the 2nd degree. That bond is set at 500, reckless conduct 500. Your total bond is $1,000. Are you employed?
No, not right now. I was. I lost my job like 3
You
months.
put on here that you are employed.
Yeah, but I don't work. It's like
Hey,
really
speak up. I can't hear you.
like a bartender job, but it's like on call, really. Like, so whenever they just call me, that way.
So you're a bartender?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. You see, you don't have any criminal history. So your bond is again $1,000. I'm appointing an attorney to you. Your preliminary hearing is gonna be October 20th.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. Hold on one moment.
Why you holding me like that? Why you holding me like that? I don't know if I'm disgusting. I'm gonna treat myself with hey. Hey, Ruth, eat. Also, eat. Excuse me. How you cold in the night? Put your pictures in. Oh, yes. Hey, big taste. Well, I just like,
All right. So the warrant had the reckless conduct as a felony, and that should have been a misdemeanor. So I have now changed that to a misdemeanor. Your preliminary hearing is October the 21st. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I have appointed an attorney to you. Do you have any questions? Your bond is 1,000.
Yeah, they, told
No?
me yeah, I do. They told me to, tell you that I have money, my own money in my property, if I could use that against my bond.
no, that's not what you tell the judge. You gotta tell the officers down there so they can let you go and pay it.
Oh, okay.
Say that again.
No question. Thank you.
Okay, 1,000. And I have appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Next.
What house is it? You know what house is it?
What's your last name? Just. She's around 80.
That's it. Look, I'll stop you by anytime, and then I'll talk to them so they can see if they can let you pay your stuff.
Because he said, Bauer told me that, but when I came in yesterday,
So it probably ain't gonna be that, and they're gonna be in the system. The truth told me.
I mean, to tell them that I could pay.
I'll tell someone. I gotta get out the keys.
All right. What's your name, ma'am?
Nigel McKee.
All right, Ms. McKee, you're charged with battery family violence. That bond is set at 6,000, giving false name 1,500 for a total bond of $7,500. You may not have any contact with Pamela Blue,
Wiggins and
and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do y'all reside in the same home?
yes, we do.
All right, you can't return back to that location. You can return, but only while accompanied by law enforcement to pick up your personal belongings. And this is, so where did the incident occur?
I'm not sure. Actually, it wasn't an incident. I was told the police was called out due to the cameras or something like that. The warrant was actually put on it. I'm not sure.
Okay. All right. So it won't be a stay away. I mean, it won't be a stay away from the location, but you can't have any contact with Pamela Blue, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set that preliminary hearing date for October the 21st at 8:30 a.m. How much do you earn per month, ma'am?
I don't work.
Why not?
I lost my job due to transportation.
All right, so I am appointing an attorney to you. You have any questions?
No.
Good luck to you, ma'am.
It's the shopping plaza.
All righty, and what's your name, ma'am?
Fantasia Major.
Say that last name?
Major.
Major? Sunless Major. All right, so I've already given her a UJ. I've already released her. Does she have I have on here that she doesn't have a prior criminal history. I've already released her. But since you're here, ma'am, you're charged with, you're charged with giving false name, obstruction, and disorderly conduct. All right? I see you have no prior criminal history. Good luck to you, ma'am. You're going to be released.
Come on.
All right, what's your name?
Overstreet.
All right, Ms. Overstreet, you're charged with battery. That bond is set at 3,000, criminal trespass, 1,500, and 2 counts of cruelty to children at $1,500 each, for a total bond of $6,500. You must stay away from William Isaac, and you may not return to 8050 Taylor Road, 1404 Riverdale Road, I guess where the incident occurred. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. You reside there, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, I do, and I have bills in my name there as well.
I understand that, but you can't go back there. You can go back, but only while accompanied by law enforcement to collect your personal belongings. I've set your preliminary hearing date for October the 21st at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Are you employed?
No, ma'am, I'm not, and, since I can't return, is there some way I can help with housing? Because that was my only place of residence.
Understand? But as I can't put you back in this home
Yes, I understand.
as based on these allegations.
$2.
Okay.
That's just it.
And what was the photo again? I'm sorry.
32 hours. Yeah. Why don't you come pick her up? Come on.
No, she's.
What's up?
I understand you had an attorney.
Yes, ma'am, Charles Will.
He did contact the office.
Yeah, but that means he's starting to stop. No one wants to go through the system. Yes, it's amazing. It's no, so you can do.
Mr.
Look at your history. Hold on.
What? What? When they got like 6 hours, I don't get it. No. He's the that's 2 hours. Got one in the back.
But she just said it was her. Okay, the girl, she came up with it, she said, she pointed at me and said, I had the one for me, she just said, she got myself foolish. They said that you said, I'm talking to the judge, just about what I say, I'm need to explain that. I didn't expect you to explain.
Yeah, yeah. Well, she's trying to see if.
She's trying to see if she can.
Who's Greer? Greer. Is you, she had it, the other ones that was.
I'm not gonna tell them that. That's y'all. They was in that discussion.
So who's the one that Greer?
You just, you said you.
It's Greer, so I just told him.
Don't be much.
I just told her.
But she, they didn't have to talk about it.
I just told her. You know, shit.
I got it, y'all.
What you gonna be?
Play big.
Oh, I don't know, she don't know nobody. That's the hell, yeah.
See, they, is it coming? It's still somebody else.
Well, no, she got confused. I need y'all to please be quiet. I'm just saying.
She can't, but she's fast, she's time.
I don't think I'm gonna go this out. No smoke. I say, I have a complaining about chest tightness. I mean, he was the chest.
I don't
I don't know, chest. Ladies.
All right, so I did review your criminal history. You do have a little criminal history, but it looks like they were all dismissed. Also, it appears that your mother contacted the court, but we cannot accommodate her request.
Right.
All right, so for the charge of battery, that bond is 2,000, criminal trespass, 1,000, 2 counts of cruelty to children, 1,000 each. Your bond is set at 5,000. At this time, I cannot allow you back in the house. However, your attorney can request that this be modified.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all righty. And your preliminary hearing is scheduled for October the 21st, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. All right, good luck to you then.
Thank you so much. Next person, step up. Stand still.
Good morning. Afternoon. How are you?
I'm okay.
Ms. Samson, you're charged with theft by shoplifting and obstruction. Ms. Samson, do you think you will benefit from my drug court?
No, ma'am.
Why not?
I'm not from the area.
You what?
I'm not from this area.
You're not from this area. Where are you from?
Franklin County.
Franklin?
Yes.
Oh, it's Georgia though, just not
Yeah.
this area. Okay. Yeah,
No, she said.
yeah, you got charges everywhere. You got charges everywhere. Everywhere. Okay. Theft by shoplifting, 2,000, obstruction, 1,500, for a total bond of 3,500. You can't go back to that Family Dollar. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for October the 21st at 8:30 a.m. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Next. Go back in. Go back in.
What's your name?
Alisia Warner.
Say it again.
Alisia Warner.
Warner? All right, Ms. Warner, you're charged with theft by shoplifting. I've set that bond at $1,500. You may not return to that Walmart located at 2940 Annville Block Road. They didn't, I believe, hold on.
Go back in there. Go back in there.
All right, that's Ellenwood. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you understand the special conditions of your bond?
No, ma'am.
You can't go back to the Walmart. Okay? All right. Are you employed?
No, ma'am.
Why not?
Tried plenty of times.
Why nobody have a job? I don't under, how do you live?
Mother,
Say that again.
parent,
How old are you?
17,
Oh, okay. All right. Did you graduated from high school?
no, 12th grade,
What school do you go to?
South Atlanta. South Atlanta.
Which one?
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and let you out, okay? I don't want to ever see you back here. You understand? I'm also going to go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. You have any questions? It hasn't been fun back there, right? It hasn't been fun back there, right? So you don't want to come back, right?
I learned my
All
lesson.
right. So don't take anything that don't belong to you. All righty. You'll be released today. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What's your name?
Tanaya Wiggins.
All right, Ms. Wiggins, you're charged with battery, family violence. Do you reside with Jaden Anderson?
I did.
Say that again. You do? Y'all have y'all have children?
Yes,
How many?
one.
How long y'all been residing together?
Maybe a year, a few months.
Let me look at do you have somewhere else to go?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so you cannot return to that address, 1458 River Rock Trail.
Yes, ma'am.
What city is that?
Riverdale.
Yes.
All right, so I'm not gonna put no contact, but I'm gonna put no violent or harassing contact. So you need to go get your belongings.
Okay.
Because you can no longer, but you got to do it peacefully. You understand that? All right, I'm setting your bond at $100 each for a total bond of $200. Okay. All right, and I'm also going to appoint an attorney. Are you are employed?
I do have a job, but I'm on leave right now because I just had my baby. So
All right, so I am gonna appoint an attorney. How old is the baby?
1 week and a day.
So he's probably looking for his mama, right?
Yes, I know.
Y'all gotta figure it out. Not for yourself, but for these kids. All right, I'm gonna set your preliminary hearing date for October the 21st. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And again, I've also appointed an attorney. You have any questions? Good luck to you.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Princess Walshy.
All right, Ms. Walsh, you're charged with improper lane change. That bond is set at 500. DUI 2,500 for a total bond of $3,000. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for October the 21st, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm also appointing an attorney too. You have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Good luck to you.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, anybody want us to go lunch or all five? Wanna take them back? You wake up.
Yeah, step up to the computer.
I got one.
Is that all the females?
No, man, it's one more.
Who would that be?
What's your last name?
What's your name? I can't hear you.
Ma'am, step up, so the judge can hear you.
Harry? Oh, is it Brent? Wait, I remember a Perry. What's your first name? Let me just look for a Perry because you're not in a good mood, I see.
Your name is Brendan Perry.
I have her.
Amen.
All right, Miss Perry. You're charged with interfering with security. And your bond is set at $500. This says that you attempted to board a plane without a ticket or without a boarding pass. Set your preliminary hearing date for October the 21st at 8:30 a.m. But once you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Are you employed, ma'am?
No, no,
Say that again.
oh, no,
You don't know?
I don't know.
You don't know if you're employed?
No, I don't know.
Where were you employed before you didn't know?
Wasserman,
Say that again.
Wasserman,
Lobster?
Dorms get behind them.
Wasserman.
Everybody dorms.
Okay, why don't you know if you're employed? Because you're in here?
Everybody in the dorms.
I'm sorry, what?
Because you're in here, that's why you're saying that?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right.
You could go into your house and you could call them.
All right. So I am gonna go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. Miss
No, that was him right there.
Gala Ripple, do you have you ever had any mental health issues in the past? Yes? All right, I'm gonna have somebody come and talk to you, okay? You have somewhere to reside? You have somewhere to live? No?
I don't know. I have to ask some people first.
Okay. Wait, did you have somewhere to live before you came into custody?
Yes.
Okay.
No. And you got to find number the wrong way today, baby.
Hey, excuse me, you cannot park out there by yourself. That's why.
Just put it on, because I don't see it. I'm gonna have somebody come out and speak with you, okay?
When now or do I need to wait?
It's probably gonna be tomorrow. You have somebody that can bond you out?
I don't even know what my bond is.
It's $500.
I could try to call. I don't know. When I was trying to call earlier, the call was going to voicemail.
Okay, all right. I have somebody talk to you, but if you bond out, then obviously they can't. All righty. Good luck to you, ma'am. Somebody come out and speak with you.
Your Honor, that was all of the females.
All right. This may be a slower process. What's your name?
Frank Alexander.
Lisa.
All right, Mr. Alexander, here you are. All right, Mr. Alexander, you're charged with terroristic threat. That bond is set at 5,000. Criminal trespass, damage to property, 5,000. Harassing phone calls, 3,000. For a total bond of $13,000. You must stay away from Aaron Jenkins, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you understand the charges and the special conditions of your bond? So, Mr. Alexander, don't have any contact with Mr. Jenkins. The warrant says you called him more than 200 times. Let it go. If he don't want to be bothered with you, then if he don't want you, let it go. Because you're going to keep ending up here. Your bond is 13,000, no contact. Are you employed?
Yeah, I mean,
You are employed? But you didn't put that on your,
No, no, but yeah, I'm unemployed. I
say
did.
that again?
I'm unemployed
Oh, you're unemployed. Why?
right now. I'm just looking for a job.
All right, I'm going to appoint you an attorney. Your preliminary hearing is October the 20th, but if you find a way to bond out, you don't have to worry about that. You have any questions?
No.
All righty. Good luck to you, sir. And Deputy, let me tell you who I have ready so we can get those moved out. What about Mr. Preston Brown?
Yes, ma'am. You right here.
And I have Dowell Tyvon ready. All right, Mr. Preston Brown.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're charged with DUI. That bond is at $3,000. Violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act, 2,000. Possession of a weapon during a crime, 5,000. Open container, 500. For a total bond of $10,500. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set that preliminary hearing date for October the 20th at 8:30 a.m.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna appoint, are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how much do you earn per month?
Around 25,000.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. You have any questions? Your bond again is 10,500. You have any questions?
Is that a property bond or cash bond?
You can do either one.
Okay, thank you.
All right, good luck to you, sir.
Thank
You can go back.
Mr. Dowdell, and then I can do Mr. Furlow.
Go through the door. Go back to your house. Who did you say, Judge?
Oh, Dowdell and Furlow.
Dowdell and Furlow.
What's your name, sir?
Tyvon Dowdell.
Mr. Dowdell?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. You're charged with window tint violation. Our bond is set at 500. Possession of a firearm during the commission of a crime, 3,000. Violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act, 1,000. Possession of marijuana less than an ounce, 500. For a total bond of $5,000. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for October the 20th at 8:30 a.m. Are you employed, sir?
I mean, I don't know if I'm employed now.
Were you employed before you came to jail?
I was.
Where?
I was at Amazon. Okay.
Why did you put NA?
Cause I don't know if I got a job now. Like I've been trying to call my girl, but she's saying something going on with like, you feel me? My
Okay.
logging in to go to work. So I think they fired me. So
Okay. Well, let's hope not. All right. So your bond is $5,000, and I did appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
that's it.
Mr. Furlow, and then next can be Hatcher.
Judge, you asked for a furlough next?
Yes.
We don't have that name on our.
You don't have a William Furlow?
Oh, William Furlow, okay.
Step to the right, step to the right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you Mr. Furlow?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Furlow, you're charged with criminal trespass, damage to property. A bond is set at $3,000, aggravated assault $15,000 for a total bond of $18,000. You may not have any contact with William Furlow III. I'm gonna assume that's your father, and April Coleman,
That's stepson's, ma'am.
stepson. But y'all have the same last name?
I'm
Because the marriage.
correct. I'm the oldest. So
What?
I'm like his father.
Okay, all right.
They were
So
living.
all right, so it has you as junior.
That's right.
Okay, all righty. So, but you can't have any contact with. Wait a minute, let me make sure this is proper. Yes, all righty. And so you cannot return to 2445 Rex Road in Ellenwood, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can't go back.
Can I ask the question?
Sure.
Yesterday, I think the police escorted them to remove all their things out of that property. You still don't want me to go back?
You can't go back. So, let me see if I'm gonna appoint, if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney, you did not fill it out. Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
And how much do you earn per month?
55,
How much?
5,500, ma'am.
5,000?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you don't qualify for a court-appointed attorney? I don't have any evidence right now or information whether or not they left that property, so I can't put you in, I cannot put you back. So you need to retain an attorney. They can reach out to the state and see if you guys can get this modified.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have with this, ma'am.
Okay, all righty. So again, 18,000, your preliminary hearing is scheduled for October the 20th, and you did not qualify for a court-appointed attorney. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
So Hatcher and then Hunter,
Is Hatcher out here?
Huh?
Hatcher.
and then Hunter.
No, grab the second one back.
Oh, then go back.
Okay, that's terrible.
This one?
There are Hatcher right here.
Oh, go back all the way.
Yeah.
Go back, go right, that's not right.
Do you have a Mr. Clark and Davis on your list, man?
Say Clark.
Clark, Davis, Den. I have them in order right now.
Wait a minute, say that one more time for me.
I have Mr. Clark, Davis, and Den. And,
Right, I'm giving you the ones where I've already done the paperwork on them, so we can just get them moving. Otherwise, it's gonna take a minute because I gotta go through and review the criminal history. So if you can get me Hatcher, Revis. What's your name? Say that again?
Hatcher.
Hatcher. All right, Mr. Hatcher, you're charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at 3,000. You may not have any contact with Namaya Reed, and you may not return to 8104 Webb Road. I think that's apartment number 703 in Riverdale. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Is that your residence?
Yes, it is.
All right, you can go back, but only while accompanied by law enforcement to collect your personal belongings. I'm setting your preliminary hearing for October the 21st. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Are you employed, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Where
Well,
you put on here no.
I did before I got locked up. Now I lost my job since I've been locked up. I don't really know until I get out and holler at my employers.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. You have any questions, sir?
Oh, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Hi, sir.
All right, so I can get Revis or Singletary.
What's that now?
What's your name?
My name is Jason Hunter.
Hunter. All right, Mr. Hunter, you're charged with theft by receiving stolen property. That bond is set at $3,000 and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I'm setting that preliminary hearing date for October the 20th at 8:30 a.m. If you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Are you employed, sir?
Self-employed.
And what do you do?
I drive trucks.
All right. How much do you earn per month?
Thank you for calling.
It varies. It's been kind of slow lately. So last month I only made about $2,000. So
You put on your sheet,
Yes.
you didn't put anything.
yeah, because I didn't know what to put because it varies. Like it's not a set scale. You get what I'm saying?
Do you earn more than $3,000 per month?
No, ma'am.
You drive trucks and you don't earn more than $3,000 a month?
I mean, after you take out gasoline, or you take out truck insurance, or you take out, you know what I'm saying? It's a
Would
lot
you
of-
like me to appoint an attorney to you?
You can.
Okay. All righty. I'm gonna go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. Again, your preliminary hearing is October the 20th. Your bond again is $3,000. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
All right. Revis or Singletary?
Matter, read the Singletary.
What's your name?
Singletary.
Help you change it, okay?
You sure?
All right, Mr. Singletary, you're charged with possession of marijuana less than an ounce. That bond is set at $500. Violation of Georgia controlled substance, 1,000. Possession of a weapon during the commission of a crime, 3,500. So, excuse me, 2,000. Your total bond is $3,500. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Setting that preliminary hearing to October the 20th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And how much do you earn per month, sir?
I have no clue. I have to calculate it.
Do you earn more than 3,000?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. All right, $3,500. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Revis or Johnson? LeBetter, what's your name?
Revis.
Ms. Revis, you're charged with possession of a non-controlled substance. That bond is set at 3,000. Possession of a weapon during the commission of a crime, 5,000. Possession of a drug-related item, 500, for a total bond of $8,500. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set that preliminary hearing for October the 20th. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All righty, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Oh. Yeah, you can go back, get a second, go back.
So I'm ready for Johnson, LeBetter,
LeBetter. That is you? LeBetter.
No, these are all C's.
Turner,
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
Johnson, LeBetter, Turner.
ready for Wilson,
Hold on now. You're getting right now.
Johnson. Johnson. Better. You. Go. Sit down.
When was the last time you ate? Yeah. When the last time you ate?
Last time I ate.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. He just.
What's your name, sir?
Imani Johnson.
Johnson. All right, Mr. Johnson, you're charged with theft by shoplifting. I've set that bond at $1,000. You cannot return to that CVS 1029 Forest Parkway in Forest Park. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set that preliminary hearing for October the 21st at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Are you employed, sir?
Yes, man. I DoorDash.
Okay. All right. I'm going to go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank
I can get LeBetter, Turner. What's your name?
Turner, your Turner,
Mr. Turner, how old are you?
30.
Okay, you look very young. All right, you're charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at $4,000, simple battery $4,000, for a total bond of $8,000, and you must stay away from Jaya Brooks, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you guys reside together?
I just let her come move with me because her boyfriend she was staying with. He
Wait a
got
minute, say that again.
I had let her come move in my house because her boyfriend she was staying with, he got evicted. And I ain't want to see my kids out on the streets and that, so I told her she could come move with me. But I guess everything went left with, I don't know, like, that's why they say you can't help everybody, but
That's what they say.
I don't even supposed to be in here, like. He's out because I was trying to help her, because she's the mother of my kids, my two twins.
It says that you guys been living together for 3 years.
Like, I told the officer, long time ago, like 3-4 years ago, we were staying together. But I wasn't staying with her. I was just going to visit my kids at the time. Then after that, I had got my own place.
All right. And so, you can't go back to that location. Well, you can, but only when accompanied by law enforcement to get your personal belongings.
That's my apartment. I stay there. But how that's supposed to work if I stay there? My name on the lease, my apartment, it's in my name.
All right. So because you are the aggressor, I have to take you out of the home. I am going, how much do you earn per month?
Around like 3,000, 3,500, something like that.
I'm going to go ahead and appoint an attorney to you so that, you can possibly talk to your attorney about getting this modified if the state would agree. But, these are some pretty egregious allegations, so I can't put you back in the home. All I gotta say is, I don't know why people think it's okay to be violent with other people. I'm sure you wouldn't want anybody hitting your mother in the head 3 times with a closed fist, or your sister, or your niece. I know it's an allegation. It is only an allegation. Your preliminary hearing is October the 21st, and I have appointed an attorney to you. Again, your bond is at $8,000. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, LeBetter.
Yes, ma'am.
You're Mr. LeBetter?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you are charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at $3,000, battery, $5,000, terroristic threats, $5,000. For a total bond of $13,000, you must stay away from Michael LeBetter. Is that your brother?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you cannot return to that location, 13177 Panhandle Road, and that's in Hampton, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Are you employed?
No, ma'am, not at the moment.
Why not?
In between jobs.
How do you live?
Back in my mom's house at the moment. That's
How old are you?
44.
How old?
44.
44?
Yes, ma'am.
Really need to get out of your mother's house. All right, so, well, this is gonna force you to do that, so you can't go back to that location. But I am gonna go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. Is there a reason why you can't work?
I had an issue with the car. That was it. I mean, I got that fixed. I was in the process of actually having a job this week, but that's not gonna happen now.
All righty, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Honor, what's the court date?
Who do you want to see next, Judge?
Say that again.
Who do you want to see next?
Yep, I just don't understand how you can live and not support yourself. But I guess it's these mamas letting these men, these boys, live in their house, don't have a job. I don't get it. You can bring whoever you want now. I don't have any of them done, so you bring them as you need to. What's your name?
Dante Davis.
Mr. Davis, tell me you have a job.
Actually, I don't, Your Honor, because I have seizures. Like that's why they found out that I have epilepsy. I had a seizure at my job.
Oh, okay. All right. So you have a medical condition that prevents you from working.
Yes, ma'am. I even tried though, right?
All right. All right. Hold tight, Mr. Davis. Mr. Davis, you have you won the prize today for the longest criminal history. Oh my Jesus.
Step over so they can see you.
Say that again. Oh, okay. Are you on probation, sir?
No, ma'am.
You just you have very similar charges last year. You were charged with battery,
Yes, ma'am.
criminal trespass, simple battery, cruelty to children, and here you are again with similar charges.
Yes, ma'am. That was ever since I've been having these seizures, Your Honor, I just been going through it. Like,
You have charges in almost every county in this state, in the Atlanta metropolitan area. When you gonna stop?
when I get out of here,
All right.
kids is growing up.
Do you understand why you're here? You know what the allegations are?
The something with the police, I had a seizure last night, and it was something with the police. I can't actually remember. I just remember when I came to, they was all over me, knees all over my neck. So I didn't even know
I
that
hear
was
you.
police. I didn't even know that was police when I came out to see.
Says you bit an officer, spit on an officer.
I don't remember. I don't recall that.
You can't keep using that as an excuse. All right. Disorderly conduct, 1,500. Obstruction, 2,000. Battery. Okay, read this. I'm gonna put each one of the battery charges at 1,500 for a total bond of $6,500.
I put all on because I'm me.
Thank you.
You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond.
Yes, ma'am.
Also going to go ahead and appoint an attorney to you.
Ice.
Your preliminary hearing is October the 20th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. You have any questions?
No, ma'am. I just apologize to the court, man. I'm sorry.
Well, I'm not back there. You got to figure out what you need to do. Keep yourself from coming back there. It's crazy. That's a book. That's a book. All right, sir. Hopefully you'll figure it out soon. Good luck to you.
All at 6:01? Yeah. Yeah. They
have any.
What's your name?
Irvin Clark.
Clark?
Yeah.
Mr. Clark, you're charged with simple assault. You two have an extensive criminal history.
What, driving? I don't got no, like, no crime.
But it looks like most, let's see. No, that's not true. I was going to say most of your history. You're out on bond for a battery. All right. All right. Do you know Miss Jasmine Moore?
Yes, that's my baby mama.
Allegation is that you threw a drink in her face.
We both did, yeah, I definitely did. I returned the favor, no disrespect.
You returned the favor?
I mean, she threw it on me and I didn't know where it came from. Like, I ain't gonna go into detail though, but yeah.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to set your bond at 5,000. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. You may not have any contact with Jasmine Moore at all. I've set your preliminary hearing date for October the 21st at 8:30 a.m. Are you employed, sir? You say no?
Yes.
You put on your thing that you're not. You
Employed?
put on your application that you're not.
No.
So are you or are you not?
I meant to put on the salary part, but I didn't mean to put unemployed. I'm definitely employed.
Where are you employed?
Certified welder, man.
Say it again.
Certified welder at US Train in Monroe, Georgia.
And how much do you earn per month?
About 55.
Okay, so you do not qualify for a court-appointed attorney. Sounds like you got a career to protect. You don't need to be back here.
Do.
Right?
Well.
All right, I'm going to appoint an attorney to you. If you don't bond out that bond, that preliminary hearing is October the 21st. Good luck to you, sir. Oh, I'm sorry. He didn't qualify. My apologies.
Hello, Your Honor.
Hello, what's your name?
Calvin Graham.
Mr. Graham, do you have a job?
I do.
Okay, good. All right. You're charged with criminal trespass damage to property. Allegation is you snatched your wife's phone.
What's your last name? D.
Let's see what your criminal history looked like.
Hudson. They go sit on the bench.
Got a previous aggravated assault, but looked like that was a while back. Burglary, but that was a while back.
Harry.
By receiving while back.
Sam.
So nothing recent.
Starns.
I have a family.
Do y'all reside together?
We do.
Get over.
I have four own children.
Say that again.
I have 4 children. I'm the sole provider.
It says you snatched a cellular device from her pocket. You wanted to look at it, allegedly?
I'm a truck driver. I'm going 2 weeks at a time. On the weekends.
So you snatched and ran in to lock yourself in the bathroom. So you wanted to see what was in her phone. All right. I don't see any history with the two of you guys. I'm gonna take a chance on you, Mr. Graham.
Love my wife.
I'm supposed to put you out the house. I'm supposed to take you out of the house. I'm gonna take a chance on you.
Thank you.
One thing I don't like is domestic violence. I don't see any, again, I don't see anything. I'm gonna put on here no violent or harassing contact. Leave her phone alone.
Yes, ma'am.
No violent or harassing contact with Tanisha Smith. How long y'all been married?
8.
8 years?
Ma'am.
All right. I'm really taking a chance on you, Mr. Graham. Don't disappoint me. I'm gonna set your bond at $2,500. If the police are called and out and something has transpired and you're arrested, you're gonna be held without bond. You don't want that, right?
No, ma'am.
All right. And so how much do you earn per month?
It varies. So I probably average around maybe like 1350.
A
13
month?
or 1500 a week.
So that's what, okay,
Sometimes though, this depends
a
on.
week. All right. So you don't qualify for a court-appointed attorney.
All right.
You have to go ahead and hire someone to handle this. All righty. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Give me a second.
What's your name, sir?
It's Ikeen Dean.
Mr. What now?
Dean. Ikeen Dean.
Dean? Okay. Now, Mr. Dean, you won. Oh my God, you have the longest criminal history. You won today. You get the prize. Oh my Jesus.
Elevator to your left, see my fire, go forward.
Oh my Jesus. You have spent more time with us than you have your own family. Oh my Jesus. All right, let's see what we got here. Fleeing, reckless driving, speeding, DUI, open container, traffic control device violation, obstruction, improper turn, driving on suspended license, failure to maintain lanes. Are you currently on probation, sir?
Oh, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see your last arrest. You already had a DUI last year.
Yes, ma'am.
And a DUI in 2020. Are you interested in DUI court, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. For the fleeing, I'm setting that bond at 2,000. Reckless driving, 2,000. Speeding, 2,000. DUI, 5,000. Open container, 500. Red light violation, 500. Obstruction, 1,000. Improper U-turn, 500. Driving on suspended license, 1,000. Improper lane change, 500, for a total bond of $16,000, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond.
Yes, ma'am.
And someone will reach out to you. I'm setting your preliminary hearing date for October the 20th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
Okay.
It says you're not employed. Why aren't you employed?
Because I just got back from Washington, DC, because I just got back. So I'm back down here. Find me a job right now.
You have any questions, sir? Again, your bond is 16,000. Good luck to you.
What you said?
Still got this.
What's your name?
Hudson.
Mr. Hudson. You're charged with improper lane change, driving under the influence in open container. You do have a previous DUI, but it's a while back. All right, I'm gonna set your bond. Improper lane change, 500. DUI, 3,000. Open container, 500, for a total bond of $4,000. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I'm setting your preliminary hearing date for October the 21st at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to appear. Are you employed, sir?
I was before I came here, so I'm not sure. So that's why I put innate, because I'm not sure. I haven't been able to get in contact with them, so I am, but I'm not sure.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. All right, again, your bond is set at 4,000. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, then you say October 21st if I'm not able to make bond.
Wait, say, I can't hear you.
You said October 21st if I'm not able to make bond.
Yes, sir.
8 o'clock.
Say that again.
8 AM in the morning,
I can hear, say that again?
at 8 AM in the morning,
8:30.
8:30.
Yes, sir. All right.
All right, thank you.
Yes.
What's your name?
Preston Perry.
Yeah, he's.
Right, Mr. Perry.
I know that it is.
You are charged with DUI, obstruction, reckless driving, no headlights, and failure to stop at a stop sign.
I mean, that would have to be.
Go down.
That might change depending on with the attorney.
You go straight down this hall.
With, the red jumpsuit.
Yeah, so get a set.
Then
Go
first.
straight down that hallway, the first set of elevators.
Looks like you haven't had anything since 2016. All right, so the DUI, setting that 3,000, obstruction 1,000, reckless driving 2,000, failure to have your headlights on 500, stop sign violation 500 for a total bond of 7,000, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Set your preliminary hearing date for October the 21st. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. You have any questions? That's 7,000.
No, man.
Hold on. And I did, yes, I appointed you an attorney. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
What's your name, sir?
Young fam.
All right, Mr. Pham, you're charged with reckless conduct and terroristic threats.
Where you at? You came from? I mean, two.
I was in the fourth section too.
Oh, okay, yeah. So we can get back with them now so they can, set it up for you, see where you're from.
Be better, Tony.
What?
I don't see any criminal history.
No. I could be quiet. Yeah. No.
No, but I'm here.
Yep. You talk to you.
What?
You talk to you.
No. Wake your-
Reckless conduct, doing 2,000. Terroristic threats, 3,000 for a total bond of 5,000. You may not have any contact with Henry Nguyen. Do y'all reside in the same residence?
That's my baby mama, brother. We don't.
Do y'all reside in the same residence?
No, ma'am. That's why I come pick up my kids sometimes.
Do you reside at the Sequoia Drive location?
No, that's where my baby mama and her mom is. That's what I was.
Okay, all righty. So you can't go back to that location.
Okay.
That's 5571. Sequoia That's driving, that's Forest Park. Must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set that preliminary hearing date for October 21st. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Again, 5,000. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Malik Starns.
What's the last name?
Starns.
Starns?
Yes,
All right, Mr. Starns, you're charged with 2 counts of criminal trespass and simple battery. All right, so you were removing her from the house. Don't see any criminal history. Are you employed, sir?
I'm self-employed.
Say that again. Self-employed?
Yeah.
How much do you earn per month?
Yeah, you better, just speak up. Just speak up.
Say that one more time, ma'am.
How much do you earn per month
It varies.
on average?
Around 2,000 to 3.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. You cannot have any contact with Katora Davis. For the criminal trespass, I'm setting that bond at 1,000. Second criminal trespass, 1,000. Simple battery, 1,500 for a total bond of $3,500. No contact with Ms. Davis, and you may not return. Do y'all reside in the same home?
Yeah, I was just gonna say, ma'am, that is my household. Like I pay for that. I pay rent. I pay all my bills for that.
But that doesn't matter. That's not the issue. Does she reside there?
She's on and off there.
So you were setting her stuff out, right?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
were setting her property out.
Yes, ma'am.
So she's been residing there.
She had a bag for the night.
I don't believe you with that. I think you just made that up. All right. Only because you don't have a criminal history, I'm not gonna take you out of the house. So there is a legal way to evict someone. You can't just throw their stuff out, and push them outside. I know at the moment it probably was what you wanted to do, but
Can you hear me, Judge?
I can hear you.
Can you see my face?
Yes, I can see your face.
Ma'am,
Why, you saying you have bruises?
I was being swung on. I'm just trying to just get her out so I won't get beat up no more.
But that's when you call the police.
No, we don't.
That's when you call the police.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Oh, dang it. I'm gonna put no violent or harassing contact with her, but you really don't need to have any contact with her. The only reason why I'm putting no violent is so that you can go back to the house. But there is a process. So if she doesn't want to leave, there's a process for that, right? But you don't want to keep getting locked up. How old are you?
25.
Right, yeah. So you got somebody that's trying to fight you, just gotta move on. So no violent and harassing contact with Tariah Davis. If you come back and y'all have had a similar situation, you're gonna have to sit here and you're not gonna get a bond. All right. So I'm taking off the no contact. I'm trusting you because so far in life you've done well, no violent history. But you're gonna have to go through the legal way if she has been staying there and don't want to leave. If she's getting mail there, she's been there sometime, she goes to work and come back home. We have to go through what we call a dispossessory process. All right? All righty. Good luck to you, sir. What's your name?
Marshall Thomas.
All right, Mr. Thomas, you're charged with aggravated assault, aggravated battery, and cruelty to children.
Yes, Your Honor. Before we even start, Your Honor, I have moved, but I'm telling the truth, so I don't care about the whole not talking about my case. Understandable, but I'm telling the truth, my truth. So I moved out here to change my life. I moved my soon-to-be wife, my daughter, and she's pregnant as we speak. I've moved them out here to live a better life. I just got a job at Convenient in Forest Park. Just moving away, we just got baptized. We both got baptized in our church faith walk off Riverdale. We just had an incident that happened a couple weeks back, and I was trying to avoid the incident from happening because she had broke my property, and I didn't want none of that to happen again. And I was being attacked.
Sounds like this is a pretty toxic relationship.
No, we've been together for a year and a half. We've been doing.
It doesn't matter.
We've been doing very good. What I really truly think is she's just pregnant. Her hormones throwing her off.
All right. Do you know what the allegations are, sir?
Yeah. Was it assault, aggravated assault, battery, and cruelty to children? You just said it.
It says that you strangled her.
No.
Until she lost consciousness.
No, I had left out the house. I had pushed her out the way. She was attacking me. I pushed her out the way and I left out the house. 100%. 100% left out the house. We've been doing perfectly fine. We've been doing very good. Like I said, we both got rebaptized. Our daughter got baptized. We've been doing very good. Very, very good. We ain't had only time we've had some type of history like this was within the last couple of weeks when she destroyed my window, destroyed my back door, destroyed my front door.
Seems like y'all need to be apart.
I tried to avoid it by leaving, but I was being attacked. You can see my hair. My hair's in braids. Look how I look now. I was being attacked. So
I'm trying to take a look at your criminal history.
But we've been doing very good, Your Honor. I done got a job and I cut hair. I got my license for cutting hair. So we've been doing very good. It's just this.
It's not very good.
These pregnant hormones is, yeah. But it's just started happening. This is her third trimester. So I'm thinking it's because the third trimester, she got, just a little extra emotions.
All right, I don't see his criminal history.
But I'm not trying to lose my job that I just got. It pays good for me to afford our apartment. So her daughter, that's my daughter as well. And then our daughter she's pregnant with can have somewhere to stay. Right now she's at my mom's house. She's been chilling over there with my mom.
All right, so I'm looking at your criminal history. Y'all, boy, do y'all have a history. You was locked up in 2023 in Fayette County, battery, family violence.
Yeah, that was somebody different, Your Honor.
Had a prior kidnapping, but that was a while back. A prior strangulation. You cannot keep your hands to yourself.
A lot of that stuff was dropped, Your Honor. This was in Las Vegas, Nevada.
I'm looking at the dispositions.
Yeah, a lot of it was dropped.
I see that one of the strangulations was dropped. I don't know about the other.
Kidnapping, all of that stuff was dropped. It had got thrown out because the defendant, the victim stopped coming to court and she's no longer wanted to charge me with it. This was a minute ago, probably like 2018, 19, 18. But I've been doing real good. I've been cooling. I've been in the cut, chilling. Like I said, I just got rebaptized at Faith Walk
So
Ministry.
you need to right now look at yourself. You're one of those ones that end up later on killing somebody because you're working on it. You all this violence, all of this violence in your history.
Yes, ma'am.
Brother, you got
Killing is crazy, but I hear you. Yes, ma'am.
yes, but this is how it starts.
We don't.
It is crazy. Trust and believe it is crazy, but we see it every day.
I'm a Christian, Your Honor. I don't got time for that. I know I got little flaws. I know I got stuff like that, but killing is not an option. That's why I was trying to leave from getting reprimanded.
You still trying to be in that relationship when it's obvious that y'all two do not need to be together.
No, Your Honor, we haven't had no
All right.
violent history, Your Honor. We just started dating within the last year and a half. We've been good.
So I guess the others is other women.
Yeah, all that other stuff was other people that I have no contact with no more. I don't talk to. I haven't had contact with them after the fact. But this one, the reason why I want to be with her is because it's not because of anything else. This is my girl. I plan soon to marry her. We got a kid on the way. And no, I don't got time to be trying to search all over. I actually love her. So that's my dog. So if it just takes
No,
a little bit of time for us to be away from each other, she could stay at my mama's. That's where she's at right now. That's just that on that. I'm definitely
All right. So for the aggravated assault, I've set that bond at 10,000, aggravated battery 10,000, cruelty to children 5,000. Your total bond is $25,000, and you must stay away from Lorraine Williams, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I'm going to go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. Your preliminary hearing is October the 20th, but if you're able to bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Sir, get your life together before you end up spending the rest of your life in prison.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
luck to you.
Your Honor, real quick.
Go ahead.
How much is the 10% of the 25?
Your bond is 25,000, so maybe about $3,000.
You need to do your job. All right, thank you.
All righty.
You better job. Stop sleeping, and then you would know everything that's going on in the case. Yeah,
What's your name, sir?
Trejo.
Trejo? All right. You're charged with improper lane change and driving under the influence. Look like you don't have a criminal history. Are you employed, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
How much do you earn per month?
Around maybe like 2,500 to 3,000 a month.
All right, for the improper lane change, that bond is set at 500, DUI 5,000, for a total bond of $5,500. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Set your preliminary hearing date for October the 21st at 8:30 a.m. And you do not qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I cannot appoint one. You have any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
All righty, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Put you here because you're in medical, gotta take you back.
What's your name, sir?
Andre Willer.
What is it?
Andre Willer.
Wilson?
Willer.
Willard. What's that first name?
Andre Wheeler,
Yes.
Wheeler, Wheeler.
Yes.
We have his application.
Hold on one second. Oh, I've already given him a UJR. He should be released.
Okay.
But I'm gonna go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. Good luck, sir.
Okay, next person.
What's your name, sir?
Small White.
All right, Mr. White, you're charged with battery, family violence, and another count of battery. You may note that you have an extensive criminal history. You're on probation, sir.
What's up? About to box that little boy out.
You laugh. You laugh.
Sorry.
Do you guys reside in the same home, sir?
No, ma'am.
All right, so the incident location is 363 Upper Riverdale Road. You don't reside there?
No.
Right. I don't want you to go back there, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a do not return, because that's where the incident occurred.
Only thing I have is my vehicle still parked over there
Say
themselves.
that again.
My vehicle is still parked over there.
All right, so just go get your vehicle. And this is apartment C8. And this is Riverdale. Are you employed, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
How much do you earn per month?
Say around 2,500.
All right, I'm gonna set your battery, family violence at 8,000. Battery, 8,000. Total bond of $16,000. I'm gonna appoint an attorney to you. You may not have any contact with Shamaya Swanson or Ariana Swanson. You cannot return to 363 Upper Riverdale Road, and that's in Riverdale. Must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. You have any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
Good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
What's your name?
Raphael Williams.
You said Wilson?
Williams. Carpathia.
William. Is it your first name?
Carpathia.
Cartheo?
Carpathia.
We'll have a seat on the bench here, Dunn, say what's name, Dante, and your, got next on the bench.
Who do you want to talk to about, everyone on?
You are charged with criminal trespass. No, I'm sorry. You are, yes, criminal damage to property. The allegation is that you slashed the tires of Criteria. So you may not have any contact with Criteria Smith.
I don't even know us, ma'am.
You don't know her?
Oh, ma'am.
Okay.
It's crazy.
Yes, it is.
Ladies.
All right, I'm gonna set this bond at 4,000.
So I'm at a grocery store. Me and my
Say that
family.
again?
Yes, man. Me and my family at a grocery store. Me, my son, my wife, and my daughter. We're at the Forest Park store. And they brushed past my wife a couple times. My wife brushed back past them. I told them, I tried to tell the ladies that excuse them. They weren't paying attention. We never been in the store. They were just looking for the oxtail. The lady said, "What the fuck you falling in telling us anything for? We don't care about that." I said, "I was just hoping there ain't no pressure." She like, "We on that." I said, "Well, then I'm on that too then." And she was like, the other girl that was with her, behind her was like,
Who was looking for oxtails?
me, my daughter, and my son, and my wife. And the dyke lady turned around and came up to my face in front of me and my son and told me, "We'll kill you in front of your kids."
That's when you call the police. Are you employed, sir?
Yes, ma'am. We work for Fire Park Police Department at Trash Valet. In the fire stations. So when they ran
I
the
know you
tag,
had a job because if you can afford oxtails, how much oxtails are? All right, and so how much do you earn per month?
$800.
You earn $800 a month.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you live?
We got at Trash Valet. I'm just a worker up under our company.
Y'all got money, y'all buying oxtails. All right, I'm gonna appoint an attorney to you. I'm gonna put your preliminary hearing date for October the 21st, 8:30 a.m. If you bond out. Should have did like she did. Simply call the police. Then maybe she would be here and not you. All right. 4,000. I know you don't know her, but you can't have any contact with Criteria Smith, and I have appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
So they didn't put no charges on her?
I don't have her. Nope, not Criteria Smith. I didn't. She wasn't here today.
So it might be her car and the boy girl, the boyfriend that said it to me.
Okay, well. Yeah. So, all right, good luck, sir.
I don't even know them.
Once you get out, you can talk with the attorney and hopefully maybe you can get this mess resolved.
Yeah.
All righty, good luck to you.
How much the bond was again?
Say that again.
I didn't hear how much my bond was again.
I think it was 4,000. 4,000.
Okay.
Wilson. Thank you for calling, Sheriff.
So he wasn't a qualified signature. No.
What's your name?
Me,
Yes.
Michael Wilson.
Mr. Wilson, I've seen you before.
Hmm?
You've been in front of me before.
No, I haven't.
Yeah, you have. I don't forget a face.
Oh,
Yeah, you got a lot going on here with this criminal history. Boy, oh boy. You're charged with criminal trespass. The allegation is that you were stealing at Walmart.
Be nice, man. Be nice.
All right, so. All right, your bond is 2,000. You cannot return to that Walmart on Annabelle Block Road, Ellenwood. Must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Stay away from the Walmart, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
I am appointing an attorney to you. Your preliminary hearing is October 21st, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. You have any questions?
Oh, ma'am.
All righty, good luck to you, sir.
Right, that's good.
We have left now, your honor.
Fugitive?
Fugitives, yes.
So where is my fugitive? Oh, one moment.
Hey, you know who I talked to about character? You know who I talked to them about? Who?
All right, you can bring the fugitive.
Y'all can step up.
Turn the thing.
This way.
Yeah. Y'all stand in front.
The reason you're not showing the law. I got a notice from Red Hive saying that you're not showing.
I am.
Not go to, you're not.
Says stop live. Mhm. Wait a minute, so how many? I only have one fugitive.
Oh, Lord.
We had two,
Tell her both of the names.
Done.
That again?
Joshua and Garrett Rion.
I have Garrett Rion. Who was the other one?
Joshua Duncan, see, this
Where'd
charge
it go?
my warrant in Wayne County.
I can't hear.
I need to go to court.
I said, my warrant in Wayne County, I said, they had put it out, it's on May the 27th. I said, I went and turned myself in June the 2nd, did 65 days on it, and then bonded out August the 5th. They just haven't moved it from the computer yet.
All right, I have Garrett paperwork. I don't, and tell me the name of the other one.
Dungan, Joshua,
Last name is Joshua?
no, Dungan,
Last name is Dungan.
yes.
Okay, so we have
And then you get
him, that's it.
one second, let's see, I don't see it. Yeah.
This job, right? No, yeah, they're doing their job. Really? It's the other county that's trading, and then for the morning, Peter.
I cannot stand this motherfucker. Motherfucker got shanks and stuff written in my life. I ain't even supposed to be here. Yeah, they got shanks in here. Clayton County Jail, they have shanks. My first night, I was threatened. My life was threatened with the shank. I'm sleeping on the floor.
All right, so Deputy, I don't even have Dungan on my jail list. Nope, he's not even on the list, so we can take him back, figure out what's going on, bring him back tomorrow if it is indeed a fugitive warrant. We don't have any paperwork, he's not on our list.
Okay, no problem.
All right.
You know, receive from intake? Do you know?
Yeah, but it's no.
You go back to your house and get it.
I don't know how to get to it.
Which dorm?
All right, so hold on 1 second.
We might be in the same group. Good afternoon.
I did him.
This one. It's an add-on.
Do y'all have Corey Favors?
Favors? No, we don't have that name on our list, ma'am.
He's definitely replied though.
He was an add-on. But y'all don't have him.
No, we don't.
Okay, so I guess we'll continue him because we got the paperwork on him. So
What's up?
You know when I can move me fast?
No, we are court deputies.
Oh, y'all don't even work in the jail. Oh.
always put the state. This is Guyger. And the charge. What's the name? All right, sir. Again, I am Judge Case Johnson. This is what we call the extradition hearing. A fugitive warrant has been issued for your arrest. You do not have charges pending here in Clayton County. You have been brought before this court today because you have charges pending in Iowa for the charge of larceny in the second degree. And the state of Iowa is requesting your return. In accordance to the laws of the state of Georgia, you are being brought before me for an explanation of these proceedings. You have the right to contest the legality of this warrant and all extradition proceedings, or you may waive your right to an extradition proceeding and voluntarily be returned to the state of Iowa. Now, before you inform me of whether you wish to waive extradition, let me explain the following rights. You have the right to be represented by an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. If you desire to contest the legality of the extradition proceeding, then you must file or have filed on your behalf a writ of habeas corpus. You will be allowed a reasonable amount of time to file such a writ. You may file a writ of habeas corpus, but you can only contest 4 things. Whether extradition documents are in order on their face, whether you are the person charged with a crime in a demanding state, whether you are the person named in the request for extradition, and whether you are in fact a fugitive. You cannot contest the issue of guilt or innocence in this state. You are entitled to the advice of counsel in deciding whether to contest or waive extradition if you so desire. If you waive extradition, the state of Iowa will have 30 days to pick you up. If they don't pick you up within the 30 days, you will be released.
30 days.
If you contest extradition and the state is unable to extradite you in 30 days, you may be committed to the county for an additional 60 days while you await extradition. So, based on that information, do you wish to waive extradition and be returned to Iowa, or do you wish to have a formal extradition proceeding?
If I have a formal extradition proceeding, I'm gonna still be waiting the 30 to 60 days, Your Honor. So
You already what?
I said whichever one I do, I'm gonna be waiting the 30 to 60 days. Because if I waive it, I'm gonna wait the 30 days. If I don't, I'm gonna wait 30 to 60.
Right.
For a case I
So,
never knew nothing about.
If you waive, I'm gonna explain it to you one more time. If you waive, if they don't pick you up in 30 days, you will be released. Versus if you contest, if they don't pick you up in 30 days, you could be committed for an additional 60 days. Awaiting extradition. So there's a difference between the two. But tell me what you want to do if you want to contest, then you would not sign the waiver. You'll have to get a hearing upstairs in Superior Court.
I'm gonna waive it.
Okay. And are you making this decision freely and voluntarily?
I don't have a choice, Your Honor, because I want to get out.
But that's not freely and voluntarily. If you say that, then you're just gonna have to be sent upstairs. Are you making your decision freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. I understand it's not the best choice, but you have to make a choice. All right, you can sign that waiver. The deputy will
Excuse me, Your
send
Honor.
that over. I'm sorry?
Can I get a copy of these charges and stuff like that, please? Hold on.
I believe that they will give you a copy.
I haven't gotten a copy. I barely even know why I'm here, to be honest. So, excuse me.
Okay, I just told you it was for larceny. The state of Iowa sent an arrest warrant.
That brought me down.
The county is Dubuque County?
I don't know. I don't know nothing about this charge. I'm totally here blindsided. I was on my way to Mexico yesterday. I have no idea about this whatsoever.
Okay, well, let me see here. I just
Did you get it?
I just had his criminal history.
Shanked up in here, like, and all of that.
Listen, I'm about to talk to you. Let's chill. This is what I judge have to say.
Criminal history said that you are in fact wanted.
Of course, ma'am, because they took me to jail off of the sky deck. Of course I'm wanted. But why and where and how is the mystery.
Well, I've given you an explanation of the proceedings. I told you what the charges are, and I've told you out of what state the charges are. I don't have an indictment. I don't have all of that detail. I'm not required to have all of that detail, but I do have in front of me an arrest warrant out of Ohio, and I have a copy of it.
You mean Iowa?
That was sent from Iowa.
But so I can't get a bond on this charge either?
No, they're asking that you be extradited. It looks like you have a bond once you get back there. It says that you have a bond of $10,000.
So if I pay the bond and
But that's there, not here.
okay, so if I pay them the bond, I would still have to wait here for 30 days for them to come get me and to release me?
You have to pay the bond to them once you get there. It's just on your warrant that whatever judge signed this automatically gave you a bond.
It's crazy.
All right. All right. Good luck to you, sir. All right. That's everybody.
Yes, Judge.
All righty. Thank you.